Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to upload PDF file in DeepSeek AI. First, you need to go to DeepSeek AI page, then you need to go to the search bar near where you can see text extraction only option. Click on that and choose a PDF file from your PC or computer, wherever you want. Click on it, open it. After that, after opening that, you need to give a proper prompt or assign it a basic task what you want it to do with that PDF file. For instance, I'm asking DeepSeek AI to tell me a plot twist in this story which I have uploaded. Now let's enter it and see what it replies. As you can see, it has given me plot twist which I can add in my story too. If I want some great ideas from DeepSeek AI, I can do that too. So it's up to you how to use it and for what purpose you want to use it. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.